Hello guys and welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today from the just concluded Ultimate Love. Chrisville reveals about Chris. He said, "We are created for each other." Chris and Chrisville have promised each other that nothing would ever come between them. In the photo they shared together, Chris and Chrisville said they are God's children and were created to be together. Recall that Chris and Chrisville were third runner-up at the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love. So it is nice to see them still waxing strong and keeping their love up and going. We wish them the best and we pray they tie the knot soon. So guys, keep on encouraging them, keep on sending your goodwill messages to them. They love you, they miss you. Chrisville, we miss you too. Alright guys, until next time, take care.